If you want a safe alternative to stop lawnmower wheels from slipping, you need green grippers. These are engineered traction wheel covers designed specifically to fix walk-behind mower slippage without damaging your machine. Look at this engineering. The integrated guide holes force the mounting screws to go straight down the absolute center channel, completely bypassing and protecting your internal gears. Plus, the balanced layout eliminates vibrations completely. Skip the risky DIY hacks. Upgrade your traction the right way. Grab your set at greengrippers.com today.